How to analyze heart sounds in Stethophone. Stethophone gives you two views of the sound, oscillogram and spectrogram. The x-axis represents a time. The y-axis shows an amplitude. The spectrogram lets you see the sound in terms of time, frequency, and loudness, with color intensity showing how strong the sound is. Stethophone automatically detects the first S1 and second S2 heart sounds. Quick reminder, the space between S1 and S2 is systole. The space between S2 and the next S1 is diastole. Stethophone also detects heart murmurs on the recording. For example, a classic systolic murmur is an ejection murmur. It's easy to spot thanks to its characteristic crescendo-decrescendo shape with a pause right before S2. A high-frequency diastolic murmur often looks like a triangle on the spectrogram, placed in the diastolic phase. A pericardial friction rub is a continuous murmur, meaning it's heard in both systole and diastole. Still confused by the spectrogram? Drop a comment below. Let's figure it out together.